Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel, Everyday Data Science, is all about trying to learn various concepts of data science by practicing a lot of questions. This video is in continuation of the series where we are trying to learn Python by solving interview questions from top tech companies like Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. If you are preparing for any of these roles, this is a great series to follow and build your concepts. So yeah, let's jump right in. In this video, we are going to solve this question on Stata Scratch regarding find the complaint ID for the processed complaints of type 1. This question has been asked in meta interviews and it's a great question if you're preparing for data engineer, data scientist, BI analyst, data analyst, or ML engineer roles. Okay, the question reads, find the complaint ID for the processed complaints of type 1. So we are given a data frame called Facebook complaints and our expected output is a pandas data frame with one column complaint ID. Let's inquire about the Facebook complaints data frame. So it has three different columns: complaint ID, type, and the processed, which has a Boolean values true or false. So we need processed type 1 complaint IDs. So we need to perform Boolean indexing at two conditions. Firstly, we need to make sure that the complaints are processed. So we do processed is equal to true. So that is going to make sure that we are only dealing with the processed complaints. And then what we need to do is, so this is one of the conditions that we need to check. We also need to check the type should be 1. So we also need to write, okay, Facebook complaints, and then we need to take the column type and that should be equal to 1, right? So now both of this combined will give you a list of true and false values. So if I go ahead and run this, so here you can see, right? So true or false values. Now once you pass this true or false values to the original data frame, that is Facebook complaints, so that is going to keep only those rows where the Boolean indexing was true. So if I go ahead and run this, so here you are going to see that, okay, we are left with only those rows where it was a type 1 and processed complaint. Now in the output, we only need the complaint ID, but we need it as a data frame. So to do that, we need to find double square bracket and complaint ID. So now if I go ahead and run this, let's see what do we get. So now here you can see complaint IDs column and this is a pandas data frame. So if we match this with our expected output, it is very same, right? So now let me go ahead and submit this to pass all the test cases. So everything is green and this is how I do it. So not a difficult question. All we did was, firstly, we made sure that we need to perform Boolean indexing using two conditions. Firstly, the process should be true because we are dealing with processed complaints, and secondly, the type should be 1. And then once we had the Boolean indexing, that is all the rows which satisfies both the conditions, then we kept only complaint ID column, but in the final output we need a pandas data frame, not a series. So here if you only provide one square bracket, that is going to give you a pandas series, not a pandas data frame. So this is how we do it. Let me know if there is a better way or more efficient way to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.